a beautiful sunny day and I'm here at our Slovakian Ancient Wisdom Distribution Centre. Come on, let me show you around. Okay, let's go, push me. Wow, this is our showroom in Slovakia, and amazing things. Very nicely laid out. All the same products like in England, but how nice. Lots of people ask me how I got started in this business. And oh my god, it was a long time ago. For a long time. You can read the full story on the website. Links below. But let me tell you something. Come over here. Look at these oil burners. This is a lovely range of oil burners. We can make all very nice and in neutral colours. Beautiful designs, simple. My first day in business for Ancient Wisdom, I sold an oil burner, not dissimilar to this, a bottle of lavender oil and a tea light. That was my very first sale. And I can't believe from that we've come to this big warehouse, and warehouses in the UK, warehouses in Spain, international business. So look, if you can sell this, lavender oil, Ancient Wisdom lavender oil, an Ancient Wisdom oil burner, check out this range and just display it just like this. Who knows where your business could go. So that's my tip for today. Ancient Wisdom gifts, Ancient Wisdom, there you are, oil burners and lavender oil. Then we're ready to go and just visit the warehouse just for a minute. Follow me. Wow, I mean look, so many racks. I think 6,600 pallet spaces of goods. Hard-working guys, picking benches. What I have to say, in Slovakia, everybody's so organised, so tidy. Everything's in the place it should be. I'm proud of these guys. It's really, really good. Oh, the big Buddhas came from Java. We've got a video about that as well. Link below. These are amazing. Nice big Buddhas. Surprisingly light. Look, I can lift them up with one hand. But solid light stone. Very nice products. And look what we've got here. We've got one that's 4 meters high. Only one left. If you want it, you'll have to order. We can pre-order them if you really need it. 4 meter high, very effective. Make any business stand out without standing outside. Okay, we can play this game. It's like this. You pick any product you want in this showroom and I can tell you a little story about it. So just go ahead and pick something. Go on. Oh, okay. This is little copper ring that is selling very well. Actually, I think they're sold out in the UK already. They come from Agra. You've heard of Agra? That's where the Taj Mahal is. A very nice guy called Mahal and his son and family making these kind of products for us. There's a whole range of copper bracelets similar. Some of them have got magnets inside, so they're supposed to be very good for arthritis and things like that. But these are made by craftsmen, the same craftsmen that come from that part of India, Taj Mahal area. There you are, one little story. Well, that's the end of my Slovakia update. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best and more news next time.